Assalamualaikum and a very good day. I bid to all. So, my name is Faqihah Afrina, binti Zainudin, and my metric number is 201046. So, for this video, I will do an acid-base titration for CHM3401 practical lab assessment. Before that, I would like to explain about what is actually an acid-base titration. An acid-base titration is a method of quantitative analysis for determining the concentration of an acid or base by exactly neutralizing it with a standard solution. That is, concentration is known. The purpose of this experiment is to detect the equivalence point at which stoichiometrically equivalent amount of reactants have been mixed. Next, to determine the volume of titrant needed to neutralize the non-concentration of the analyte. And lastly is to describe the color changes of the chemical during the titration. So let's start the experiment. The first thing that we need is a bleach, which is a strong base as the titrant. Next, vinegar, a strong acid as the analyte. pH test liquid as the pH indicator to indicate the pH value. A 3 ml syringe acts as a burette. A 10 ml syringe acts as a pipette to pipette the analyte. And lastly, a transparent cup to act as a conical flask. Firstly, pour the vinegar in a cup. Measure 10 ml of vinegar using a syringe. Make sure that there is no air bubbles in the syringe to measure the vinegar accurately. Pour the 10 ml of the vinegar in the transparent cup. Pour the bleach in other cup. Put some drops of the pH test liquid to indicate the pH value of the vinegar. The vinegar turns into red color, which indicates that the pH value is 1 from the universal indicator pH color chart. Using a 3 ml syringe, measure 3 ml of bleach as the titrant. Put 0.5 ml titrant each time and check the color intensity of the solution and check the pH level. The solution turns orange at 0.5 ml of titrant. The solution turns yellow gradually after 0.5 of titrant is added.